welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Mogotio, as you can see. Mogotio, so I want to show you around so that you can see. So there's a river nearby and I want you to see it. So all this is Mogotio. It's a very dry land, very dry, and the sun is so hot. So let me show you the river, the main river that they used to do farming hapa hivi. So guys, this is the river. It's called Molo River. It's called Molo River. This is the main river that everyone in Mogotio uses to do farming, because here the rains are not reliable. Sawa. So this is where they get their water for farming. So most people here have done they do have generators where they pump water and do their irrigation. So this is the Molo River. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me take you around there. You see, guys? So this is a very dry land here in Mogotio. As you can see the surrounding, look at the crops over there. So as we go, I'm gonna show you how they do their farming. So the crops that grow around this area are tomatoes, watermelon. Sorry guys, watermelon really do well around this area because it's a dry place. The watermelons here are very sweet. Tomatoes, what else? They also sell cows and goats and at a very affordable prices. So this is the area, this is the river, I mean. So yeah, as you can see, there are gabions over there to prevent soil erosion, sorry. So yeah, it's a very beautiful river. It really serves people around this area. So yeah, let's go. So guys, that is the river. So I want to show you guys the crops that grow around this area. And also, as you can see on my background, this area is really dry. It's a very dry land. But the businesses that do well here are quarries. There are so many quarries around this place where mining is done. They have a yellow stone. And also farming, that is, they farm with using that water from that river, because the rains here are not reliable. So yeah, look at my background. It's so dry, very dry. Look at that, guys. And the sun here is really hot. So look at these cactus. There are cactus here to show you that this is a very dry land. Can you see that, guys? So yeah, it's a very dry place. Let me show you. There is a greenhouse over that area. So I want to show you guys. You see, guys, right now it rained. It's a miracle that it rained yesterday. So as you can see, there are waters, but it's a really dry place. But recently, like yesterday, it rained. Look at that. So at least the place is green for now. That's a greenhouse over there, telling you that they also do greenhouse crops. I don't know whether you guys can see. Let me show you over here. So yeah, that's a greenhouse over there. So it's a really, that man offered me a lift but I didn't, because I want to go shooting. So I told him I'm taking videos, so I won't be able to to go with him. So the people here are really nice. Really nice. They're so friendly. Most people around the people around here mostly are Kalenjins. Yeah, so those are the ones that dominate this area. Can you see? These are crops. As you can see, there are drip irrigation over there. So this is how they do their farming, because I've told you this place is a really dry place. But you see, the river, that Molo River, really serves them well, because you can see they never lack food. So yeah, that's it. So guys, this is a very interior place, so there are not lots of car here. Kuna magari mengi around this place, as you can see. For me, I'm heading to the Quarry, so I walk around this area. This is where our quarry is. In case you don't know, by the way, we sell machine cut stones at very affordable prices. In case you're building and you need any advice on construction, or you need any inquiry, to make any inquiry sorry, about construction, I'm your person. Yeah, you need to, I always put my number on, so I'm gonna put my number here on your screen. So in case you have any question, in case you have you want to inquire, you can always inquire. And so guys, today I decided to walk so that I can show you around. I hope you've seen. So this is Mogotio. So the Mogotio center is like 100 shillings from where I am right now. It's not far. Like using a motorbike, it's 100 shillings. What else? So yeah, I've told you, if you're building, if you need anything to do with construction, you can always consult me. And you can, even if you're not buying, you want to know maybe the prices of the stones, transport, how the machine cut stones works, you can always, it's not a must that you be buying, you can always consult. Maybe, yeah, I will always be there for you. So look at the distance that I've come. Oh my goodness. So that's the far I've come. That's the far that I've come. So yeah guys, it's a very bougie place, as you can see. There are no houses, as in manyumba ni moja moja ukiendaga hivyo. So it's a very interior place, and then it's a very hot area. Yeah, it's very hot. Okay, so that the place that I was, they're growing tomatoes. Hope you've seen that. So tomatoes are also here, very cheap. Watermelon, meshiri, all those crops are grown here, and they're very cheap. Like I didn't ask, I told him I will be coming in the evening as I come from work, so he'll tell me the prices. Yeah. So guys, what do you think of Mogotio? It's really hot, as you can see here. This is water, like 2 liters of water. Yeah, it's really dry. Huwezi survive bila majuku. This one, I have like 2 liters of water. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. You see? This one, I'm sorted the whole day. So the whole day, I'll be taking this. This is 2 liters of water. Can you imagine? This, whenever you, maybe someday when you come here, always remember to carry some water. Because here, I tell you, you cannot survive without water. Ni saizi tu mnaona kumenyesha. So, inakaa po hata unaona kuna tu green. But otherwise, during the day, jua ya huku ya saa 10, inakanga ile ya saa 6, ile ya saa 8, ya saa 7. It's really, really hot. Because you're past the equator. Yeah. So guys, that is the entry to someone's homestead. Unaona hapo, huku ni kwa maziwa. As you can see, hata kuna kitu kama maziwa hapo hivi. So, yeah, it's really a quite not bad place, but it's really dry. Really, really dry. Imagine all that way yenye nimekuja, like it's almost now past a kilometer, and I've met very few people. So it tells you the type of population that is here. It's not so friendly for living around unless you're doing some farming here, because here now the land here is very affordable. The land here is very affordable, even for renting. Like I've seen so many people from Nakuru come here and take some huge pieces of land, and then they do farming. They connect that Molo River water to their farms, and then now they do the farming. Around this area there is that booster. You can see it. So yeah, I'm almost there at the quarry. So look at this place. The soil here is red soil. Yeah, the soil here is red soil. And yeah, so it's not far from the main road. It's like 1.5 kilometers or so. Yeah, so I'm almost there, by the way. Now I can hear the machines running from here. So I was telling you, now the sun is out. I don't know whether you can see my face. I'm really shining. Like it's 8, the sun is really hot. So I'm at the quarry. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I'm almost at the quarry, so it's not far from the main road. I've just walked, and so yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So please remember to support me by subscribing, and it's free of charge. You will not charge anything for subscribing to my channel. So I hope you support me by subscribing, liking, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of Mogotio. Would you really love to live here? Would you really love to have a piece of land here? What do you know? What have you ever heard about Mogotio? What are your misconceptions about Mogotio? Because you know, a lot of things are said about it, about this place. So let me know what you know about Mogotio. Leave me a comment and let me know. And until next time, I'll see you then. Please have a good day, a good night, a good evening, a good morning, at whatever time you're watching me. So until next time, let's see each other in our next video. Bye guys.